नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग टू द ब्लड प्रेशर? ऑप्शन ए, 100/55 mmHg is considered as ideal blood pressure. Option B, 190/110 mmHg may harm vital organ like brain and kidney. Option C, 105/50 mmHg makes one very active. Option D, 130/900 mmHg is considered high and requires treatment. The correct option is option C, 105/50 mmHg makes one very active. Question number 2. Bundle of his is a part of which one of the following organ in human? Option A, heart. Option B, kidney. Option C, pancreas. Option D, brain. The correct option is option A, heart. क्या कर रहे हो? Question number 3. Which one of the plasma protein is involved in the coagulation of blood? Option A, serum amylase. Option B, globulin. Option C, fibrinogen. Option D, N-albumin. The correct option is option D, N-albumin. Question number 4. In human, blood passes from the postcaval to diastolic right atrium of heart due to option A, a pushing open of the venous valve. Option B, suction pull. Option C, stimulation of sinoatrial node. Option D, pressure difference between the postcaval and the atrium. So the correct option is option B, suction pull. Question number 5. If you suspect a major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you like for a confirmatory evidence? Option A, serum albumins. Option B, serum globulins. Option C, fibrinogen in the plasma. Option D, hemocyte. The correct option is option D, hemocyte. Question 6. Antibodies in our bodies are complex. Option A, lipoprotein. Option B, steroids. Option C, glycoprotein. Option D, none of these. The correct option is option C, glycoprotein. Question number 7. Systematic heart refers to option A, enteric heart in lower vertebrates. Option B, the lower ventricles together in human. Option C, the heart that contract under stimulation from the nervous system. Option D, left auricle and the left ventricle in higher vertebrates. The correct option is option A, enteric heart in a lower vertebrate. Question number 8. Bundle of His is a network of option A, nerve fiber distributed in ventricles. Option B, muscle fiber distributed throughout the heart wall. Option C, nerve fiber found throughout the heart. Option D, muscle fiber found only in the ventricle. The correct option is option D, muscle fiber found only in ventricle. Question number 9. Which one of the following statements is true for lymph? Option A, WBC and serum. Option B, all component of blood except RBCs and some protein. Option C, RBC, WBC and plasma. Option D, RBC, WBC and platelets. The correct option is option B, all components of blood except RBCs and some protein. Question number 10. Pulmonary artery is different from the pulmonary vein because it has a option A, large lumen. Option B, thicker muscular walls. Option C, no endothelium. Option D, valve. The correct option is option B, thicker muscular walls. Question number 11. The thickening of walls of arteries are called option A, arthritis. Option B, arteriosclerosis. Option D, aneurysm. Option D, none of these. The correct option is option B, arteriosclerosis. Question number 12. Which is the principal cation of the plasma? Option A, magnesium. Option B, sodium. Option C, potassium. Option D, calcium. So correct option is option B, sodium. Question number 13. An adult human with the average health of systolic and diastolic pressure as option A, 80 mmHg and 80 mmHg. Option B, 70 mmHg and 120 mmHg. Option C, 120 mmHg and 80 mmHg. Option D, 50 mmHg and 80 mmHg. So correct option is option C, 120 mmHg and 80 mmHg. Question number 14. In mammals, the histamine is secreted by option A, fibroblast. Option B, histiocytes. Option C, lymphocytes. Option D, mast cell. The correct option is option D, mast cell. Question number 15. Which one of the following vertebrate organ receive the oxygenated blood only? Option A, gill. Option B, lungs. Option C, liver. Option D, spleen. The correct option is option D, spleen. Question number 16. Antigens are present. Option A inside the nucleus. Option B on the cell surface. Option C inside the cytoplasm. Option D on the nuclear membrane. The correct option is option B, on the cell surface. Question number 17. Carbonic anhydrase are occur in option A lymphocytes, option B blood pressure, option C RBCs, option D leukocytes. The correct option is option C, RBCs. Question number 18. A vein possesses a large lumen because option A tunica medica and the tunica externa form a single coat, option B tunica externa and tunica media are form a single coat. Option C tunica externa, tunica media and tunica externa are thin. Option D tunica media is a thin coat. So correct option is option D. Tunica media is a thin coat. Question number 19. Removal of calcium from freshly collected blood. Option A causes delayed clotting. Option B prevent clotting. Option C causes immediate clotting. Option D destruction of hemoglobin. The correct option is option B, prevent clotting. Question number 20. Which one engulfs the pathogen rapidly? Option A acidophils, option B monocytes, option C basophils, option D neutrophils. The correct option is option D neutrophils. अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.